guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you another Grove collaborative unboxing. I had a lot of comments on that. Not like on the site itself, but people told me they liked it. So I just had my second order go through. I needed a couple things, so I pushed it through a little earlier. My next one comes will get shipped October 7th. So I'm just gonna jump right in because there's a lot and I'm super pumped. So packing slip per usual. One thing I got for free this time, I don't remember why or how, were these cleaning gloves, and I'm gonna open them real quick so I can show you. But I hate cleaning like the toilet and like the bathroom with my bare hands. I really hate it. So these were free. Pretty excited. They have like a yellow detailing on them and they're gray. I got size, doesn't say. It don't say, girl. Anyways, I'm super excited for these because I really, really hate using my bare hands when I'm cleaning things like the toilet. Second thing I got for free was another pack of those scrubber things that I got last time. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm gonna fix my light because this is too bright. Okay, so I really like these, by the way. I have used up one. I still have one left, and I keep one. I use one for like the sink and scrubbing out the sink every time we do dishes, and then the other one I use for like scrubbing like the shower out and stuff like that. So they come in they come in handy, I would say, and I got it for free, so that's a bonus. Next thing I got for free. This is because I ordered, a certain dollar amount. I don't remember. I think it was like $30-something or something. The Grove hand sanitizer gel in blood orange. Oh my gosh, so irritating. This light. I need better lighting. Anyways, I got that. Okay, hopefully that's good. Anyways, so this, I had the spray. Kids got into my purse while I was like napping or something. My husband was watching them because I was just really exhausted. So I don't know what that is. Luckily it's safe, but this is a gel, and oh, it smells so good. And I personally like the gel better. I'm just gonna say that. The spray, I feel like you have to spray quite a few times to make your hands feel like something's happening to them. So I really like this gel. Next, I ordered this because remember they sent me those brush heads, and then they sent me a credit so that I could get this next time. Oh my gosh. I think it's the whiteness. Yeah, there we go. See that? Yeah, it's got a nice bamboo wooden brush, I think, handle. I don't know, but it's really nice and I'm super excited. Because the ones at the store you see are always like super like colorful, and to me like they don't go with my kitchen colors and it drives me insane. I get over it, obviously, first world problems, but I like having this because then it matches everything. Next, what did I get? I'll do this first. I got an e-cloth kitchen cleaning cloth. One removes grease, grime, and bacteria. One polishes all shiny surfaces. So I'm actually pretty happy that they offered this because I heard about this on that one lady's channel that I was talking about, and she really likes these, so I'm pretty excited for those. Okay, what's next? What did I order? Oh yeah. Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub in lavender. And this is what I'm going to start hopefully using for my kitchen sink, because it's like it's non-scratching. It removes grease. It relieves fatigue, which I have an issue with sometimes. Depression and anxiety can do that to you, as well as a slew of other things, but that's what I noticed affects me most. So I like to get a lot of lavender things. Mrs. Meyer's is made with plant-derived cleaners, natural minerals, natural essential oils, and sodium percarbonate. Made without chlorine, harsh acids, formaldehyde, artificial colors, and phthalates. I don't know. But this is exciting because it's like scrubby. I'm super pumped. I saw her use that as well, so I'm just stealing her ideas, I guess. And then I have two more things. One is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleaner, which I also saw. So I'm going to see what works best. This might work best on my stovetop, which is exciting. I know they have specific cleaners for glass stovetops, but I was told that this works really well, you know, too. Scratch-free, cleans and polishes, which is what I need for my stove. Next thing I have is, comes in this little Grove box, 16-ounce spray bottle. The cool thing about this, I'm super excited, I have so much hanging out right now, is it is glass. And it has this little silicone thing. It looks like it's really fogged up, but it has this little silicone thing so you can set it down and it won't bang on things or crack or whatever. But it's glass and it's reusable, and I actually have some concentrates coming. I think I got like a pack of concentrates, like one of glass, one of all-purpose, and one of multi-purpose. I'm not sure, but I'm super pumped, and it's got my periwinkle color, so I'm pretty excited about that. I've been waiting for this to come, so yeah, that's exciting. And I don't think it's gonna go back in the thing. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, who knows. This though, did you know that most cleaning products are over 95% water? Fill this beautiful reusable spray bottle with any 4 ultra-effective cleaning concentrates. Any of our ultra-effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. How to. Dispense concentrate into spray bottle. Fill bottle with water, replace nozzle, and shake. Start cleaning. Use and care. Bottle and silicone sleeve are dishwasher safe. Hand wash nozzle. To the point. I like it. I'm excited. I'm pumped. So this is a very quick video. I let you know what I liked about those scrubbers last time. Pretty pumped. Also, I actually wrote Grove because the pumpkin dish soap that I got, like, it doesn't smell anything like the hand soap that I had. It smelled worse. And I said, hey, like, can I exchange it or whatever? They said, just keep what you have, gift it, whatever, donate it. We'll give you a $5 credit. I'm like, great. And so that's sitting in my account, I believe, waiting. I had an issue finding it, but I've been emailing them. So their customer service is pretty good. I'm happy about it. And I have my other order coming in a couple weeks, so I should receive it in about 2.5, 3 weeks. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like these types of videos. I'm trying to do a little bit more of a broader range, so I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and comment.